Back in 2015, I made a lot of things to sell at flea markets and craft shows around town, and this is totally a rustic piece that I turned into a little accent table. I used 2x4 lumber and ripped them to size, and also grabbed a board right off the floor, that I just had sitting around outside, and used it for the top. This board had all sorts of scratches and dents. It was just perfect. Back then, a lot of people were on the reclaimed and rustic on YouTube, as well as out on the streets, really. And I think it's still selling. It's still a thing. But a lot of folks miss the opportunity and thrill of grabbing materials and putting them together just on a whim. And it's kind of an exciting thing. Just no plan, no rhyme or scheme. You just go out there and do it. These type of furniture pieces are exciting as they look aged and really, tell a story. I sold a bunch of things like this. I just would grab lumber and, I'd go to town on it. The table is narrow and would fit just about any space against a wall or entryway, or behind a sofa, or along a hallway as well. I remember bringing 3 of these to a flea market one time and a customer grabbing all of them at the same time. Bottom line, they're fun to make, and people pick up on that they're fun, that they were created with fun in mind, and that's an exciting thing. So they really do tell a tale. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.